Hi, today in front of me OPPO A17 and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first let's open the settings application and the Play Store application, and then in the search pool enter green Apple keyboard. Now we should get this application, that's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. So the application, while the application installing, then just tap to open up, click enable in settings, click on the switcher near the green Apple keyboard, tap to activate and go back, then click to switch input methods and switch your keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. Now the process is finished, so let's open the search, for example, to see the new look of our keyboard, and we can see that it's so close to the iPhone 1 as style of these emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.